So hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you what to do with the seedling. I have grown that seedling from a seed. I always keep collecting the seeds and try to germinate those. To be honest with you, I don't know what is that species. If any of you know what is that species, you can let me know in the comment. Now I am taking out that from its pot. I'm gonna remove its soil and I will be very careful not to damage its roots while removing the soil. May I'm gonna upload that video later, but it is August 2024. It's summer rain season in my region. Summer rains are the safest time of the year to do that kind of work, especially if you are a beginner in doing that kind of stuff. Especially if you are unfamiliar about a tree species like me about that specific tree. As you can see, all soil is removed and I'm gonna wash those roots off camera, of course. Now I'm gonna cut those smaller roots. Tree is pretty immature, so not drastically removing any of those roots, just removing fewer of them from the part that is going to above the soil surface. Now it is time to wire that small baby. As you can see, tree is pretty small. I am being very careful not to pinch the trunk with that wire. Tree is now wired from bottom to top. I will going to cut that excess wire. After cutting that wire, I will twist the trunk in a S shape. It's a simple but very effective way to bend the trunk. It may not look so impressive now, but in future when tree is fully grown, it will look very good. I have learned that trick from a famous bonsai master, Master Peter Chan. Now I'm putting the soil in a plastic container, and if you are curious what type of soil I use pumice, perlite and decomposed cow dung. Equal quantities of all those ingredients, but I want to let you know that if you are just a beginner with the bonsai, there is nothing wrong with using the ordinary garden soil. And here it is. The first look of that bonsai is just ready. Thanks for watching.